Good evening. Good evening. Welcome. So tomorrow you have your interview, no?
Yes, sir.
At what time?
Sir, at 11:15, I have to 11:15 is the time, and I have to report it 30 minutes before it.
Very good. Excellent. Best wishes.
Thank
Now
you, sir.
we will go straight into questions. Please tell us about your family.
Okay, sir. My father is a businessman, and he is also an ex-serviceman. My mother is an assistant registrar in the cooperative department, and my sister is now studying in 10th standard.
Good. Very good. You said your father is an ex-serviceman. Did he
Yes, sir.
serve in Army or Air Force?
He served in Air Force.
Air Force. Acha. Who is the Chief of Air Force now?
Sorry, sir, I'm not able to recall it.
Vivek Ram Chaudhary. 1 minute. India Chief of Air Force. One minute, hold on. Chief of Air Staff is now Vivek Ram Chaudhary. Hello.
Okay, sir.
Vivek Ram Chaudhary. I am posting in our Telegram page, Federal Bank Telegram page. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So you must know, because he is belonging to Air Force, you must know that. Vivek Ram Chaudhary. Okay,
sir.
good.
Okay.
Very good, very good. So why are you not interested in joining Air Force?
Sir, my interest was always towards banking, and I was quite interested in joining Air Force, but my father himself has said that it is better for you to get into banking or any allied sector, sir.
Good. Don't tell the interviewers that you were interested in joining Air Force. Don't tell.
Okay, sir.
Don't tell. From my childhood itself, I was interested in serving in, say, a banking institution and not in Air Force. Then, if they ask why, you say because of the practical difficulties in family life, because my father was living most of the years away from our family, something like that you can say. Okay.
Sir, I was also thinking that, so what if they ask that, so if you are not relocate for that reason?
That is the difference. Here, this relocation is if you are sent away from place, your family cannot go to that all the places. Whereas here in banking, you can take the family with you. Your parents can come with you, or you can stay in a hostel, paying guest hostel also. Correct?
Oh, yes, sir.
So, but you should counter that immediately with this argument.
Okay, sir.
Good. Now, please tell me the job role of a bank officer.
Okay, sir. First of all, as a bank officer, I have to greet my customer with a sweet smile, and I want to address their grievances. I should also be dealing with my subordinates with humility and to create a good working environment at the branch office I am in. And customer acquisition, customer retention, marketing, parabanking service, cross-selling, etc. are also have to be done by me, and I should be following my seniors, advisors, and I have to do my assignments religiously that is assigned to me from time to time, sir.
Super. Not bad. Good. Only
Okay,
thing is you are not touched upon digitalization. Digital,
okay,
yeah, that point. Good, not bad. Today's performance is very good.
thank you, sir.
This particular question you answered very nicely. Can you tell me what is a savings bank account? What is a current account?
Okay, sir. Current account are those accounts that can be accessed frequently, and it is used by businesses. And minimum average balance of current account should be greater than minimum average balance of savings account, and no interest is paid on the current account, and some charge is levied on keeping that account. With the savings account, there is limited transactions available, and the minimum average balance of a savings account is less than that of the current account. Here, you would be paid some nominal interest rate.
Now it
And
is 3. Now it is 3%. Now
okay,
this earlier they were telling 2.15% less than
repo
repo rate. Now they have revised it as 2.40 less than repo rate. Now it is 3%.
okay, so sir, is it the case with Federal Bank only or with all the banks?
No, different banks can give different rate of interest, but RBI normally gives a broad interest rate criteria. Some banks give 4%. Karnataka Bank and all, they are giving 4%.
Okay,
And
sir.
small finance banks, they give more, 6%, 5% and all that. Yeah.
Sir, I have recently seen as Federal Bank 2.4% less than repo rate, sir.
Yeah. That is why
That is 3%. Okay, sir.
that is 3%.
Okay, sir. Fine.
That's
Fine,
right.
sir.
Yeah, very good. Now, yeah. But you should also tell savings account is normally opened by salaried people and individuals for saving purposes.
Okay, sir.
And current account is opened by businesses, proprietor, partnership, or limited companies.
Okay, sir.
Very good. Now, you're told about this one. Tell me, what are the different accounts you can open in a bank now?
Sir, I can open savings account. I can open recurring account. I can also open fixed deposit account.
Super. Good. Super, super, super. Good. What is the maximum period of fixed deposit? 10 years.
10 years. Okay, sir.
When the deposit is the name of a minor, it can be more than that till is attaining majority.
Oh, yes, sir.
What is the age of marriage of individuals now for becoming a major?
Sorry, sir.
When a child will become a major?
18, at the age of 18.
Very good. What is the marriageable age of women now?
It is 19.
No, 21.
Okay, sir.
From 18, it has been enhanced to 21. For boys, it is 24.
Okay, sir.
Whether it is being followed, I don't know, but that is the rule. That's what it says. But parents like for your father and all will follow the rules very much because he is an ex-serviceman. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good, very good. Can you tell important news that you have read recently?
Some of the news I have read recently is that the Taiwan issue, sir, the Taiwan issue of China, and we have this waterlogging problem in Kerala, and with related to banking, the coroner issue has not even boiled down. Government is taking steps to counter the grievances of people. These are some of the news, sir.
Very good. Expand RTGS NEFT.
Sir, RTGS means real-time gross settlement, and NEFT means National Electronic Fund Transfer.
Who is the Commerce Minister of India?
Piyush Goyal, sir.
Mr. Piyush Goyal.
Okay, sir.
Are you willing to be relocated in other parts of our country?
Yes, sir. I am willing to relocate to other parts of the country.
How banks are providing insurance services to people?
Banks have different insurance schemes in which people can have different insurance, sir.
Not that way. Banks have agreements or understanding with the insurance companies.
Okay, sir.
And through that, they try to canvass the insurance policies of those companies for the commission they get from the company. And through that, the banks are providing service to customers. Good, very good.
Okay, sir.
Why is CASA important for banks?
Sir, CASA is important for banks because the cost of maintaining CASA is very less. For current account, the government they are levying some charge on it, and no interest is paid on the current account. And for savings account, a nominal interest rate of 2 to 3% is paid, sir.
Good. So the cost of fund is low.
Okay, sir.
What are the different sources of income for the bank?
So there is interest-based income and non-fund based income. Interest-based incomes are interest generated on deposit and loans advance.
No. Deposit, not interest, income.
Okay.
On
Yes.
deposit, it is expenditure.
Oh, okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Mm.
Interest on loans and advances. And in case of non-fund based income, insurance schemes service charges and mutual fund scheme service charges, sir.
And also
like that.
DD issued charges, then minimum balance charges, duplicate passbook charges, and SMS charges. So many charges are levied.
And also banks have government bonds with them, and they will get interest on them, and when these bonds are matured, they can sell it off and can get extra money, sir.
Don't tell about that. They need not sell only when it is maturing. They can sell it before that also.
Okay,
But
sir.
that I don't know about it, but don't tell about it. Simply tell banks get interest from government securities. Banks invest in ordinary shares of companies, so they get dividends.
Okay, sir.
Good. What are your school and extracurricular activities?
Sir, while I was in high school, I was more into writing, and I was actively participating in magazine works. Our immediate class magazine work, I have participated in our Malayalam magazine work, and also while I was in 10th standard, I was the debate club secretary. So I have to prepare a report on the debates we have conducted in the last week, and we were to submit it to the manager. And I was even fortunate enough to get a congratulatory note by our manager for the usage of my words and good handwriting, sir.
Super. Best wishes. Thank you. You are done very well today. You deserve appreciations. God bless you.
Thank you, sir.
Best wishes. Is it
Sir,
okay
I
to
would.
put it in YouTube? No
Yes,
problem.
sir.
No problem. Okay. Tell me.
Yes.
Tell me.
Sir, my mother had a dream yesterday on you, sir. I was saying that, Amma, if it was for others, sir, they would have thrown me out of the class because I was performing that poor. And Amma was dreaming like I was going to this Federal Bank interview, and I was showing Amma that the driver in the car was you, sir. And Amma was like, this kind of follow up.
Very good. Best wishes. Don't worry. It's all because you believe in me. You will be benefited. God bless you.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Best wishes. Bye.
Thank you, sir.